morning. Bonjour. How are you? I'm hoping that you all are safe, fit, healthy, and wonderful. Okay, so once again, one new in my class. Welcome back in my class. And here I'm going to tell you that how to reduce the fat from your hips, okay, and from your abdomen, okay. And in this series I'm just going to give you 3 asanas, okay, and here one asana name is Chakki Chalan asana. Yes, in ancient India we used to make our flow while doing chakki, okay. So on that context, this asana name is Chakki Chalan asana. Interesting, very funny, yes. And the another important thing about this asana is that this asana can be performed during the pregnancy, okay. If you are a pregnant lady, then also you can perform this, and after the pregnancy this will help you to tone all your muscles, okay, to tone all your abdomen muscle or your pelvic region, your pelvic muscle. So this is going to be very important asana for you. This is called Chakki Chalan asana, okay. And the another asana is Jhulana asana, okay. And the first asana will be Supt Pavan Mukt asana, okay. Remember the name. The first asana will be Supt Pavan Mukt asana. The second asana will be Jhulana asana. It means rock and rolling asana. And the third asana will be in this series, that will be, yes, Chakki Chalan asana. Very interesting asana today we are going to do, okay. And a person or a male or a female, whoever having fat on their abdomen, okay, or over their buttock, okay, then this is going to be very beneficial. As well as if you are suffering from your digestive system, okay, your system is not okay, you have the constipation problem, you have the gas problem, you have all kind of digestive problem, and especially if you are a diabetic person, then definitely this asana going to do wonder over your kidneys, and also good for your liver, okay. So this asana especially is focusing on your abdomen and on your cocky, your buttock, everywhere, okay. So how we have to do this, that the first asana is called Supt Pavan Mukt asana, and how I'm going to perform it, just lay on the floor like this, okay, and just fold your legs like this, okay, and you just wrap your body. So if you are a patient of gas, okay, if you are a patient of your liver is not working properly, okay, so this is just going to give you relief, a lot of relief. You can try it, just try it with me. Take relax, and again. And you have to try to maintain this position as long as it is possible for you. So this was Supt Pavan Mukt asana, okay. And now the another asana in this series is Jhulana asana. And what we have to do this, just hold it in the way we did previously. Okay, and thus roll, 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 roll. So you are going to feel that how much pressure, okay, you are feeling over your abdomen, over your buttocks. Okay, it's going to be very interesting. This is called Jhulana Asana. Okay, and in this series, the third asana is Chakki Chalan Asana. Yeah, another interesting asana we are going to perform. Like, you just spread your legs. Okay, here you don't have to sit like this. Okay, you just spread your leg. Okay, in this way, and just hold the chakki like if you are holding the handle of wheel. That is called churning the mill. Okay, in English we can say churning the mill. In Hindi we can say Chakki Chalan Asana. Now full rotation. And now from also anti-clockwise. Very soon you are going to get a slimmer waist, okay, and a toned abdomen and a toned pelvic muscle. Okay, so if you are a lady and you have just went through pregnancy, you're just after delivery, this exercise is going to help you a lot. And even during the pregnancy, this asana is recommended to do, because the day of pregnancy, it will the day of delivery, it will be very easy for you to bear the pressure. Okay, so this only asana is recommended for during pregnancy. Okay, and if you are a male and having belly, okay, kindly go with this asana. Do something good. This is very good. Okay, so this is called churning the mill, Chakki Chalan Asana. Okay, so how was this asana and what was your experience while doing this, while performing this? Kindly just go in the comment section, okay, and write about your experience. Ask if you have any kind of question. Definitely I will try to answer you. Okay, so we meet you in another beautiful class. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Over.